Hello students, today in this video we find the solutions of intermediate second year maths B. So this is circle chapter. In this we are going to find the solutions of exercise 1D here. So in this video we find the solutions of section 1 and section only section 1 because it will 15 questions are there. It will contain 15 questions are there. Those questions we find the solutions today in this video. Start with the first question here. Now here section 1 first question here, find the condition that the tangents drawn from 0, 0 to, so means origin to circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be perpendicular to each other, he is saying. So here the tangents means two tangents to a circle here. So those originate from the 0, 0, okay. So here 0, 0 and it will become to circle like this, okay. It will come like this. This is our radius and it will become we think that it is this is a circle, yes, okay. Here so angle between this is it theta, okay. This half angle is equal to theta by 2 here, this one. Now this one is theta by 2, so total theta. So solution here, theta, if theta is the angle between the pair of tangents, theta will be the tangents from P, then the tan theta is equal to tan theta by 2 is equal to r by under root of s11. So this formula is in the your textbook in the 45th page of circle 1.4.2. there you can watch this formula and you can do the solution with this one. So here tan theta by 2 means what is here, theta is equal to 90 degrees. We think that if it is like a right angle triangle, so here and it will become theta is equal to 45 degrees here. So this theta is equal to 45 degrees here, tan theta by 2 is equal to, now here we can take it as tan 45 is equal to r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c divided by, so this is radius of the circle, g square plus f square minus c, and divided by under root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, okay. So this is the formula, we have to submit the values. So here tan 45 is equal to how much, 1 only here. So all the places this will same only because here g value g only, f value f only, so like that here it will come same like only g square plus f square minus c divided by, so x1 is 0 to 0 0 comma 0, no. So from here to this circle, so drawn from 0 comma 0 to circle, no. So if I submit these 0 comma 0 values in this circle, so it will become under root of 0 plus 2 into 2g into 0 0 only, 2fy into 0 0 only, plus c will remain here. So it equal to, so c will this total will c will remain here. I will take this side c, so root c is equal to under root of g square plus f square plus f square minus c. So squaring on both sides it will become leads to c is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So we can modify like this, g square plus f square is equal to 2c, c will come in this side and it will become c plus c 2c. So this is the answer, this is a condition so for this question here. So please read question twice and find the condition, this one. Now move to the second question. Here second question is, find the chord of the contact of 0, 5. The chord contacting at a 0.5 and with represent the circle, this one is given. So given circle is given this x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. Solution here, what we can say that here the equation of the circle is given this one, and equation of the chord contact, equation of chord contact to circle is s11 is equal to 0, s1 is equal to 0 here. So it means s1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus 2 no, there is no 2 g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0 here. So in this we have to submit the values of from this and this x1 y1. So this x1 y1 here. So from this x1 is equal to how much here? 0 only. So x into 0 plus y into 5 plus g is equal to how much we'll get from this one? Minus 5 by 2 will get here, and f is equal to 4 means 2 will get here, and y plus y 5 g is 1 and x1 plus 0 x plus 0 here 2 into y plus y minus so it will become f 2 will become, and it will become 5 plus c is equal to 0 here, plus c is equal to how much? Minus 2. So this is minus 2. Now here it will become leads to 5y minus 5x by 2 plus 2y plus 10 minus 2 is equal to 0 here. So this is the answer we get here, and if you want to do modify, you can modify this one also. So it will become LCM will took 10y minus 5x plus 4y plus this will become 8 to the 16 is equal to 0 into 2. So this denominator will become, come this side, 2 will become, and 10y plus here how much? 4y, how much? 14y. So minus 5x plus 14y plus 16 is equal to 0. If I multiply with the minus, it will become 5x minus 14y minus 16 is equal to 0. So this is answer here. Now move to the third question here. Now third question here, find the chord of the contact 1 comma 1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 here. Solution will come like this. Here given equation, given equation is, what is the circle equation here? Circle is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 9, no? So this is the given circle here. Now equation of the chord of the contact is, equation of chord of contact is here, we can take that x1 plus y1 plus y1 is equal to 9 here, so y1 is equal to 9. So in this we have to submit the value of x1 y1, this x1 y1. So x into 1 plus y into 1 is equal to 9. So we will get the answer of x plus y is equal to 9 is the answer here. So this is the solution of third one. Now move to the fourth question here. Here fourth one solution, find the polar of 1 comma 2 with respect to the x square plus y square is equal to 7. He asking us to find. So solution here, the polar of p x1 comma y1 with respect to s is equal to 0, it will become x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. So this is the polar of equation, we have to by heart it, and you have to remind it. So in this we have to submit the values of this one in this equation, so or this equation. So it will become x into x1 is equal to 1 and plus y into y1 is equal to 2 is equal to a square here. Now x into x1 is equal to x plus, and it will become y into 2y, okay, is equal to a square. So in this we can say that here here a square is nothing but here 7 only. So will 7 and x plus 2y is equal to 7. 7 come inside, it will become x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 here. This is the answer here. Now move to the fifth question here. Now fifth question is, find the polar of 3 comma minus 1 with respect to the 2x square plus 2y square plus is equal to 11. Na? So in this solution, so given equation is 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 11, no? So in this x square plus y square is equal to, we can write it as 11 by 2. Yes. So polar equation is how much? x1 plus y1 is equal to a square, no? So in this we have to submit the values, x1 plus y1 is equal to 11 by 2. So in this x1 is equal to how much? 3x, and y1 is equal to minus y1, y is equal to 11 by 2 here. 3x minus y minus 11 by 2 is equal to 0 is the answer here. Okay, now move to the next question, sixth one. Here, dear students, polar definition I want to some clarify here. So what is polar here? Or pole, we can say that pole or polar we can say here. So where let S is a circle here, okay, here, and the P be any point in the plane, P be here, P here in the plane, he saying that means play in here. So it is other than the center of 0 if any line drawn from the P, any line drawn from the P meets in the 2 points, any line like drawn like this and drawn like this, any point from the point P to any line. So it is, and we think that it is Q and R here. Okay, so it meets at these points, and here we can say that then the point of intersection of tangents, the point of intersection of tangents like this, it will come na, so it will come like this. So drawn from the QR line on the same line here, a line called polar. This is a polar here. Now this is drawn like this. This is a polar, and of P, and P is called a pole of polar. P of pole of the polar. Pole of the polar. P is here. Now this is a pole definition here. So now move to the question here. So please rewind it and listen once again. You will clarify. So solution here, sixth one. The equation of circle line is given x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. No, yes, here. And after that, equation of the polar is equal to s1 is equal to 0 here. So means x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 is plus c is equal to 0. So here x into x1 means this is a polar point here, 1 into x, x into 1 plus y into minus 2 plus g is equal to how much we will get here, minus 5 we will get, minus 5 into x plus 1, and plus f is equal to how much we will get, minus 5 only, minus 5 into y plus minus 2 is plus t, c means 25 here, 25 is equal to 0 we will get here. Now it will become x and it will become minus 2y, and from this we will get minus 5x minus 5 and minus 5y plus 10. So plus 10 means here plus 10 and plus 25 here is equal to 0. Here from these two it will become minus 4x, and these two will become minus 7x minus 7y. So minus 5 plus 10, how much it will become, plus 5 plus 25, it will become 30, plus 30 is equal to 0 here. If I common minus, so 4x plus 7y minus 30 is equal to 0 here. So this is the answer. Now move to the seventh question here. Now seventh one here, solution. Find the pole of the first equation again, second equation, two equations here given. So from this let x1 comma y1 be a pole. Okay, here a pole or polar, I told you now this is a pole P, and the polar equation be here like that, which is one x1 plus y1 and minus r square is equal to 0. This is first one from this. Okay, now next question is given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 here is the second one. So from this from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 equations, the polar equations, and it will become x1 by a and is equal to y1 by b is equal to, we can say that minus r square by c we can. So x1 is equal to minus a r square divided by c, and y1 is equal to minus b r square by c it will become. Now here pole is x1 comma y1, no, so it will become minus a r square by c and minus b r square by c is the answer here. Now move to the eighth question here. Now eighth question is find the pole of 3x plus 4y minus 45 is equal to 0 with respect to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 is equal to 0 here. So solution here will come like this. The equation of polar is, equation of polar is, so what will be the equation, this equation, polar equation, x x1 plus y y1, and here g value minus 3 will come here, and x plus x1, and f value is equal to minus 4 will come, minus 4 into y plus y1, and plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation here. So now second equation again, he is given 3x plus 4y minus 45 is equal to 0 here. So from this we have to make it as from this we have to make it, so we'll think that first is this is a second equation. From this it will become x x1 plus y y1 minus 3x1 minus 3x minus 3x1 and minus 4y1 minus 4 minus 4y1 plus 5 is equal to 0 here. From so these things, these two things I will common x, means x 3 minus or x minus x1 minus 3 will remain here, x1 minus 3 will remain here, and from this and this or this, okay, from these two things and I will common plus y common, I will, it will become y1 minus 4 will remain here, and remaining terms are here like this, minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5 is equal to 0. So compared to this one we have to make it this one like changes here. So x x is equal to like that, okay. So from this 1 and 2 we can make it as make it from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we'll get like this, x1 minus 3 divided by here 3 is equal to y1 minus 4 divided by we'll get 4, okay, is equal to minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5 divided by, we can take it as minus 45 here. So here I will take it as total equal to k here. So I want to make total equation in the single form equation. So single form equation means in the xy or x1 or y1. So I will make it like this, x1 minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to y1 minus 4 divided by 24, okay, y1 divided by 4 only, 24 not 24, 4. So I will do cross multiplication and it will become 4x1 minus 12 is equal to 3y1 minus 3y1 only na, 3y1 only na, so 3y1 minus 12, so 12 will get cancelled, and it will become y is equal to y1 is equal to 4x1 divided by 3 will come here, 4x1 divided by 3 will come. So I will take this into the so this equation I will take it as like this, x1 minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to minus 3x1 minus 4y1 plus 5 divided by minus 45 is equal to, in this I will take this one. Here in this I will submit the value of y1, this where will this y1 here. So x1 minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to minus 3x1 plus minus 4 into 4x1 divided by 3 plus 5 by minus 45 here, okay. In this one I will write like this, x1 minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to minus 3x1 minus 16 divided by 3x1 plus 5, okay, divided by minus 45 here. So if I cancel this 3 divided by 3 1 ja 3 15 ja, denominators I am cancelling, okay, don't mind this one. So here it will become this total will become how will it come means minus 3x1 and minus 16x1 plus 5 divided by 3 into minus 15. When it will come, okay, when it will come after LCM, doing LCM with this one, 3 into 3 9x1, after doing 3 5 ja 15 here, this will come, then only the answer will come like this. So means here x1 minus 3 is equal to minus 9x1 minus 16x1 sorry minus 16x1 plus 15 divided by 315 ja minus 45 will come here like this. So it will become, what will become, it will become 25 minus 25, it will become x1 minus 3 is equal to this is minus 25x1 plus 15 divided by minus 45 will come here from this one. So after this I will do one thing here, I will take this 45 into this side and it will become multiplication and it will become minus 45x1 minus plus will become minus into minus plus 45 3 135 here 90 plus 145 is equal to 135 is equal to minus 25x1 plus 15. So this it will goes here and it will become minus 45x1 plus 25x1 plus 135 minus 15 is equal to 0 here. Okay, this total I will took there and it will become. So now it will become answer will become minus 20x1. Okay, minus 20x1 plus 120 is equal to 0. So this I will take here 120 is equal to 20x1. So x1 is equal to 120 divided by 20. So 21 ja 26 ja. So x1 is equal to how much we got? 6. And what is y1? So y1 is equal to 4 divided by 3 into x1, no? So x1 value I will submit in this one. Y1 is equal to 4 into 3 into 6. Okay, and it will become 3 2 ja 6. Okay, 4 2 ja 8 and y1 is equal to how much we got? 8. So x1 comma y1 is equal to how much we got? 6 comma 8. So this is the answer where we have to find the pole. Now move to the next question here. My dear students, here I want to say one thing here, solution. So one formula is there for doing these things. Okay, when the find the pole of the so given like equation this one and this one, the circle is given. So the formula is I will write here the pole of Lx plus My and plus n is equal to 0 with where n not equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, na. So for this one we'll get the pole is minus a square L divided by n and minus a square m divided by n. So this is the formula where we'll get with this one. Now another formula is there here. Okay, so with this one the pole of Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 where not equal to 0, n not equal to 0 with respect to the circle. What is the circle here? X square plus y square plus 2gx, no. So this circle, so to fy plus c is equal to 0, no. So for this we get the formula of minus g plus L r square. This is the pole we have to find here, polar here. So L r square divided by Lg plus mf minus n, comma minus f plus m r square divided by Lg plus mf minus n. So this is the two formulas we have to submit the values. I will take this formula and I will submit the values here. So from this is Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0, no. So okay, so this is a certain circle equation here. Circle equation is given here. Now I will submit the values in this one. Minus g is equal to how much we will get from this one? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 5 by 2 will get from this one and it will become minus of minus plus 5 by 2 here. 5 by 2 plus and L is equal to how much here? 1. R square is equal to we know, don't know, na. So we have to find the first r also. So here r equal to we find. So under root of g square is equal to this one 5 square by 2 square means 25 by 4 plus and here 4 it will become 4 4 ja 16 f square means 16 minus and 6. Okay, minus 6. So it will become leads to 4 4 ja 16 and 64 it will become 25 plus 64 4 5 61 and 4 6 ja 24 divided by 4.